this video, I show you how to get live access on TikTok. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are in TikTok, but just a quick note, this guide is going to work on a range of different phones, whether it be iPhone, Android, they're all going to work, and that includes tablets and literally any device. So if you try to go and join a live on TikTok, you're noticing you're probably going getting a message, which I'll show you what I'm getting now. So here we are on a random TikTok live. So let's come to the bottom of the page. And as you can see, we've got the multi-guest button with those two people, which is basically the button to go and request to join somebody's live. And when I go and tap on it, as you can see, it says live access is needed to go and join as a guest. So we'll close off of this for now. So what this message means is that you need to be able to go live on your TikTok account by yourself before you can go and join somebody else as a guest. So in order to go and have your own TikTok lives and therefore go and join other people's, what you need is 1,000 followers on TikTok. Once you have 1,000 followers, you can then go and join other people's lives and have your own as well. And if you want to find out if you can host your own lives, then go and press on the plus button at the bottom of TikTok, the create button. And at the bottom of this page, there'll be an option to go live. So I've now just gone and switched to a TikTok account where I do have live access. I'm going to go and tap on the create button. And as you can see, I've gone and got this option to go live. And now I'll show you how you can go and join other people's lives. So I'm on a random live, and now I'm going to go and tap on the multi-guest button or the request to join button, depending on what you have. And as you can see, I can then go and send this request to go live with this person. I can go and tap request and I can go and see if they accept it. And if they do, I'll then be live with them. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.